So much going on at the top. Yesenia. Again, a subtle wind. Who do you guys think the bubble blower is?